Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make restaurant style Medu vada or Ulundu vada or Urad dal vada. This vada doesn't consume much oil. This is so fluffy and spongy. Medu vada and coconut chutney is best combo. This is my Amma's recipe and she's only making this for us. We have taken 1 cup of Urad dal. Soak the Urad dal for 2 hours. One important thing is that we have to use best quality Urad dal. We are using Best Farms Urad dal. This is from Reliance Mart. After soaking the Urad dal for 2 hours, drain it and leave it for 10 minutes. So the Urad dal should be completely drained from water. Take the soaked Urad dal in a mixer grinder. We have taken the entire quantity of soaked Urad dal in a mixer grinder. Grind it without adding a single drop of water. My Amma didn't add even a single drop of water. Half of the Urad dal batter is removed and taken it in the bowl. This is the remaining Urad dal. Basically, we are dividing the Urad dal into 2 equal parts and grinding it separately now. We have added 3 ice cubes and grinded it smoothly. This is the secret to make delicious Medu vada. Add in salt as needed. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and grind it smoothly. We are adding ice cubes since we are grinding it in mixer grinder. The batter will be hot, so to avoid this, we are adding ice cubes and grinding. Do not add even a single drop of water, so we are just grinding it with ice cubes. The batter looks perfect. Now we have taken the other half of the coarsely grinded Urad dal mix. Add in 4 ice cubes, so in total we have added 7 ice cubes. Grind it smoothly and mix all the batter together. We have to beat the Urad dal batter nicely using hand. This is another tip to get spongy Medu vadas. Beat the Urad dal batter nicely for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Add in half a teaspoon of whole pepper. Use your hand to mix the batter and not the spoon. Look at it friends, how airy and fluffy the batter has turned out. Medu vada batter is ready now. Heat sunflower oil in a kadai. To shape the Medu vada, dip your hand in water and shape it like this. It will be easy to shape the vada when you dip your hand in water. Shape the batter like this, make a small hole in the center and deep fry it. Actually, my Amma is pro in making this Medu vada. Flip the vada so that it cooks on both the sides. Look at it friends, how fluffy the Medu vada has turned out. Once the Medu vada turns this color, you can remove it from the oil. The flame should be high while removing the vadas from the oil. If you do so, the vadas doesn't absorb more oil. So these are small tips we have to bear in mind while making this Medu vada. If you find the Medu vada batter is sticky means you have to wet your hand with water. This is the best Medu vada I have ever tasted friends. Look at it friends, how beautiful the Medu vadas has turned out. We made 16 Medu vadas out of 1 cup of Urad dal. I should thank my Amma for sharing this recipe in my YouTube channel. Amma has made coconut chutney as well, which is best combo. Do try this delicious fluffy Medu vada and share me the feedback. Do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I made tair or curd vada out of these Medu vadas. Look at it friends, the vadas didn't absorb much oil and this is so spongy and airy. I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.